So I'm starting with these two signs from Dollar Tree. I'm going to take off the labels from the back, which one, as you can see, was pretty well adhered. And I'm going to remove the rows from the front. I'm using a putty knife to remove the rows. Next, I'm going to take some Waverly chalk paint in color white, and I'm going to just paint the inside of each of these. I'm not going to paint around the edges because I'm going to paint that a different color, but I'm just going to paint this background. Here I'm just using a smaller brush to get into the corners. After I have the background complete, I am using Waverly chalk paint in elephant color, and I'm just painting along the edges. I'm actually going to paint the entire frame in this color. Here I am taking a paintbrush and I'm using, again, the Waverly chalk paint in elephant, and I'm freehanding a heart. As you can see, I'm tracing around over and over again until I get the desired shape I want. I go ahead and I do the same thing, repeating it on the second plaque. Using my Cricut Maker, I printed out these two stencils out of Dollar Tree contact paper, and I'm just using a makeup brush also from Dollar Tree, and I'm stenciling on the wording. For the second half of this project, I picked up this 24 by 24 piece of wood from Home Depot, and I'm using, again, Waverly chalk paint in white, and I am just using a large foam brush to paint the entire board. I'm going for a weathered look, so I'm not going to be painting this fully. Again, I used my Cricut to design and cut out this Bible verse. I thought with it being Valentine's Day and this being my Valentine's Day decor, I thought I'd love to use the most amazing description of love that I know. And it's found in the book of 1 Corinthians in the Bible. This verse means a lot to me. We actually, like many others, used this as part of our vows in our wedding. But it was mostly because before I met my husband, I actually wrote these characteristics down on a piece of paper, and I titled it, "These are the characteristics I want of my future husband." Then I forgot about it. So a little while after I met my husband, and I think we were either about to be engaged or we were engaged, and my mom came across that paper somehow, and then at the bottom she wrote, "Your order is up," and she placed it on my bed. So when I came home that night, I found it, and it just kind of gave me just a confirmation that God is in control of everything, and He answers prayers. So I hold this verse very near and dear to my heart. So using Waverly chalk paint in elephant color, I am going to be stenciling in all of the wording. I will have this file available for download or purchase in my Etsy shop, and I will put the link to my Etsy shop in the description below. So I used 2 coats of paint to get the coverage that I was seeking, and then when I peeled off the stencil, this is how it turned out. I was actually surprised at how amazing this turned out and how amazingly perfect it is on my wall. I think I'm going to continue making different seasonal artwork to put in this place and kind of switch out for each season or holiday. I already made one previously for fall, and I absolutely loved it, and I felt like it was better than anything that I could have found in a store. So I think I'm going to continue doing that. This has been really fun for me, and it gives me a little bit of a feeling of uniqueness in my own home, and I really like that. If you thought this was great, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit the notification bell. And thank you so much for watching. Special shout out to I Run Scissors. Thank you for watching and being a subscriber. Bye.